name is Bhavya and I am an intern with CFCP. So we are delighted to welcome you to the Center for Forensic Clinical Psychology CFCP webinar series. CFCP is dedicated to advancing the fields of research, forensic and clinical psychology through rigorous research, comprehensive training programs, and impactful community projects. Our mission is to bridge the gap between academic research and practical application, fostering a deeper understanding of psychological principles in various contexts. So today, we are honored to have Ms. Pooja Tomar with us. Ms. Tomar is a distinguished professional in the field of forensic psychology with extensive experience in both research and practice. As a founder and director at CFCP, she's been instrumental in shaping our initiatives and driving our mission forward. We're excited to kick off our webinar series with the topic Introduction to Criminal Psychology. In this session, we will explore the fundamental concepts of criminal psychology, delving into the psychological theories and practices that help us understand criminal behavior. This webinar aims to provide valuable insights for both professionals and enthusiasts as you all who are keen to learn more about the psychological aspects of crime. We hope you find this session enlightening and engaging. Thank you for joining us on this learning journey. Let's make the most of this opportunity to expand our knowledge and share our passion for forensic and criminal psychology. Handing over to Ms. Pooja.
Thank you so much, Bhavya. I also would like to welcome you all. I am assuming that this is a group of professionals as well as the students, but together we all are the learners, right? So today, this is a free webinar series, as you all know. I'm a forensic psychologist, so I thought we should start with the introduction of criminal behavior, psychology and behavior, and lots of people would like to know what it is all about. So I hope this webinar will be fruitful to all. I'll start soon. Okay, there is something in the chat. Am I not audible? Please let me know in the comments. Vaibhav said I'm not audible.
Ma'am, you are audible.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, so criminal psychology, interesting topic, no? Today I'm going to tell you little bit about the theory, little bit about my own experience. I'm working with criminals, with juveniles from last 8 to 10 years. So I just I like you people, I was also very curious about the criminal psychology initially, but when I started working with them, I could understand that these people are also like us, you know, human beings. They are also human beings. When we talk about the psychology is not a very simple thing. Lots of people think psychology means just reading the mind. Psychology means just emotions. It is not like that. Human, to understand human being is not at all easy. Whether it is a criminal, whether it is a non-criminal, whosoever it is, the human mind is not a simple thing to understand. But because we are living in this world where lots of challenges we need to face, from that one is crime. So we need to understand why people are committing crime, why they are becoming criminals. If they have good life, good family, still they are committing the crime. What is the reason behind that? So let me share with you my screen. Okay, it is fully visible. Yes. Okay. So, what is criminal psychology? Whenever somebody asks me what is criminal psychology, it is nothing, just using the principles of psychology with the criminals. That is the criminal psychology. And what is psychology? Psychology is the study of mind, behavior, and emotions. So, whenever we are using all those study with the criminals, that becomes criminal psychology. If there is something, you can just put it into the comments. I'll see it. Criminal psychology involves basically four things. Whenever you will work with these people, you have to understand, first of all, criminal behavior. You need to understand the risk assessments, means what are the psychological assessments you can do with the criminals. You also should have knowledge of the crime preventions, how how psychology can be used for the crime prevention. And fourth, you should also have the knowledge of criminal justice system. Criminal justice system includes the police, the prison staff, the court, judges, lawyers. ये सब मिला के क्रिमिनल जस्टिस सिस्टम बनता है। जब भी आप क्रिमिनल्स के साथ काम करोगे, आपको ये सब चीज की नॉलेज होना बहुत जरूरी है। इसलिए मैं हमेशा अपने सेशंस में बोलती हूँ कि इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी कि आप जाके सारे सब्जेक्ट अलग से पढ़ो, बट यू शुड हैव अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ ऑल दोज थिंग्स। whenever you try to understand the psychology, you have to understand what is crime as well. There are very different views to see the crime. There are different theories of seeing the crime, why people commit the crime. So few people says because there is a conflict kind of thing between the person and the society, that's why they commit the crime. Few people say because resources are not there, that's why people commit the crime. Few people say it is individualistic. In a family, lots of people are not committing crime, but one of the son or daughter is into the crime. So there are different explanation of crime as well. To understand those explanation, first you need to understand what are the crimes we have, what are the explanation we have for the different crimes. So if we talk about the definition of crime, Oxford Dictionary says this is an act punishable by law. So whatever it is punishable by law, that will consider as crime. That is it. So if you are doing something at your home, आपने कोई चोरी की या आपने अपने घर पे किसी के साथ लड़ाई झगड़ा किया, है तो वो भी क्राइम, बट क्योंकि अब वो लॉ में हम कंसीडर नहीं कर रहे हैं, तो दैट इज नॉट पनिशेबल, तो वो क्राइम हम कंसीडर नहीं करते हैं। ठीक है। An evil or injurious act or an offense, sin especially of a grave character, so that is considered as crime. Criminal psychology focuses on intentionals and behavior of violent and non-violent offenders. जब भी हम क्राइम की बात करते हैं, क्राइम साइकोलॉजी की बात करते हैं, हमारे माइंड में क्या आता है? मर्डरर्स, रेपर्स, या फिर कोई भी जो पर्सन जो हीनियस क्राइम करता है। बट क्रिमिनल साइकोलॉजी इज नॉट ऑल अबाउट दोज पीपल, इट इज ऑल्सो फॉर दोज पीपल हु आर इनटू थेफ्ट, who are into the domestic violence and lots of other kind of crime as well. Criminal psychologist majorly helps to predict an unknown offenders age, socio-economic status, educational level, habits. ये सब क्या है? Basically they try to create profile of those people जिनका कुछ पता नहीं है. For example, if you have heard आरुषि case, आरुषि के केस में हमें आज तक भी क्लियर नहीं है who was the culprit. So इस तरह के केसेस में क्रिमिनल साइकोलॉजिस्ट, फोरेंसिक साइकोलॉजिस्ट हेल्प्स टू क्रिएट द प्रोफाइल ऑफ द ऑफेंडर, कि अगर ये ऐसा क्राइम हुआ है तो ये किसने किया होगा, उसकी क्या एज रही होगी, किस तरह की उसकी हैबिट्स होती होंगी, क्या एजुकेशनल लेवल होगा, दैट ऑल कम्स अंडर द क्रिमिनल प्रोफाइलिंग. Some behavior are considered immoral or antisocial, but are not necessarily a crime. Now it is your turn, participants. अब आप मुझे बताओ ऐसे कौन कौन से बिहेवियर्स हैं जो एंटी सोशल कंसिडर किए जाते हैं, इमोरल कंसिडर किए जाते हैं, बट क्राइम कंसिडर नहीं किए जाते. यस प्लीज. रॉबरी, रॉबरी इज अ क्राइम, फुल फ्लेज क्राइम, पनिशमेंट मिलेगी. इमोरल है, एंटी सोशल है, but not crime.
Ma'am, shall I take the chance?
Yes, ma'am, please.
Yeah. So, how about not paying salaries to the employees?
Yes, not paying salary on time. True, very true. हाँ, stealing at home, संगीता मैम, जब तक कंप्लेंट नहीं कर रहे हैं एंड इट इज लेस देन 10 रुपीज तो चलेगा. अगर 10 रुपीज से ज्यादा है एंड somebody is complaining, फिर क्राइम हो जाएगा. यस, वायलेंस तो वायलेंस है ही अमित सर. अब्यूजिंग वर्ड्स भी वायलेंस क्राइम है. इफ somebody complains against you, तो आपको पनिशमेंट मिलेगी. lying, okay, lying is immoral. Adultery is a crime. Stealing your sibling's piece of cake. Nice one. Yes, all those things. Gossiping antisocial नहीं होता. और it depends, it's a positive gossiping or negative, है ना? Littering, okay. So there are few things. अभी bad working condition in office. Okay. चलो, let's go ahead. I'll also tell you कुछ चीजें. If not get job experience certificate, हाँ भाई ये हो सकता है, बट इसके लिए आप कंप्लेंट कर सकते हो. कुछ चीजें ऐसी है जिसके लिए हम कंप्लेंट भी नहीं कर सकते ना. प्रॉब्लम इज दिस. व्हाट अबाउट दीज थिंग्स? killing in self defense, euthanasia, drinking too much alcohol, taking drugs. अगर below 18 है तो it's a crime, but if it is above 18, so as such we do not consider it as crime. Immoral, antisocial we consider it. Killing during a war, failing to join the army as required in a wartime situation, making personal phone calls at home, at work, using the internet in work time जहाँ पे आपका रूल है क्लियरली कि आप नहीं यूज कर सकते हो, दैट इन दैट केस. यूजिंग वर्क एनवेलप्स, स्टेशनरी एटसेट्रा. हमें लगता है कि हमारा ऑफिस है इतना तो यूज कर सकते हैं, बट नो, दैट इज इमोरल. फाइंडिंग मनी इन द स्ट्रीट एंड कीपिंग इट, prostitution, and lots of other things are there जिसको हम immoral कहते हैं या हम एंटी सोशल कह देते हैं. बट what happens at few places, few things consider as crime, at few places it does not consider as crime. So अगर हम इस फंडामेंटल को समझेंगे, कहीं कहीं ये सपोज प्रोस्टिट्यूशन है, इंडिया में इट्स अ क्राइम, बट अब्रॉड इट्स नॉट अ क्राइम. तो व्हाट डज इट मीन? क्राइम क्या हुआ फिर? हु इज द क्रिमिनल? प्रोस्टिट्यूट्स आर क्रिमिनल. इंडिया में तो क्रिमिनल है, बाहर क्रिमिनल नहीं है. व्हाट डज इट मीन? हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड दोस पीपल साइकोलॉजी? सो बेसिकली आप ये भी कह सकते हो कि क्राइम इज सिचुएशनल, क्राइम इज सोसाइटल बेस्ड. किसी सोसाइटी में कुछ चीजें क्राइम है, किसी सोसाइटी में कुछ चीजें क्राइम नहीं है. राइट? सो टू अंडरस्टैंड क्राइम हमें ये सारी चीजें भी समझनी पड़ती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल व्हेन आई वाज वर्किंग इन प्रिजन, आई गॉट बहुत सारी स्टोरीज मुझे सुनने को मिलती थी. तो किसी में तो ये लगता था कि अच्छे इस पर्सन ने जो किया है ना, एक्चुअली इसने गलत किया है. कुछ केसेस में ऐसे लगता था कि शायद इसके पास दूसरा ऑप्शन नहीं था, इस क्राइम को करने के अलावा इसके पास दूसरा ऑप्शन था ही नहीं. सो इन दैट केस क्रिमिनल साइक, अब आपके सामने दो क्रिमिनल है, एक आपको जस्टिफाई लग रहा है, एक आपको जस्टिफाई नहीं लग रहा है. हाउ नाउ यू आर गोइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड दोज साइकोलॉजी एंड हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू वर्क विद देम.